Hey guys, today we're going to play a game of Akinator. This is my first day finding myself on Akinator. Okay, challenge myself. Shout out to Jesus for suggesting me this. Okay, challenge me. Play. No, non-binary. Yeah, it really exists. So, no. Yeah? I know myself.
Got a plant that needs some love? Get the Google app for iPhone and tap the lens icon. Use your camera to identify it, then swipe up and add more to your search and see how to nurse that fiddle leaf fig back to life. Search what you see.
It's a Google app.
Download the Google app.
I already have this.
Got a plant that needs some love?
Oh. No, I don't want to. No, I don't Google. Dumbass. Bro. I'm gonna wait till this ends. Nice. Okay. Back after the ad, I'm going to play, and this time I'm going to pretend that I'm not myself. Okay, play again. No, I'm not binary. Do I really exist? Yeah. No, I don't have kids. I'm going to pretend I don't know. I'm a stranger. No. No, I'm a YouTuber. I wish, but no. I am in theater, but they're probably mean by movies or TV shows. So, no. No, I'm not a sportsman. I'm still alive. I'm a teenager under 16, and they think I'm an adult man, and No! Oh, yeah.
Hey, Bella.
Okay, I'm not famous. I'm just gonna say no because I'm pretending to be another person. No. No. No, I'm just gonna have you. No, I'm pretending I'm not myself. I'm just gonna Holy crap. Akinator's really pissed. I'm not a meme. I wish I was a meme, but. No. Yes! No. No. Yes. Yes. No. I don't even like TikTok. I'm just gonna say no because I'm pretending. No, I have like 4 subscribers. No, I'm gonna say no. Nah. No. Your internet.
Aaron, what are you doing, honey?
Oh my god.
Aaron, what are you doing?
Bro.